Wagwan people, so welcome to a new answer this segment now. Trinidad and Tobago at Brian Lara's fete man party I go on them house and all of these things. And the question I have for the ladies is name one thing that is good about Trinidad men and one flaw. And I'm ask you them, tell me one thing that is good about the Trinidadian ladies and something that is probably not so good about them. Now let me just apologize for the lighting and all. Yeah, one bag of crosses was happening on this day and I only could get a few people, but I hope that you will enjoy. Check it out. Answer this.
Alright, so I'm here with Wendell. Okay, so we just finished what is this, Brian Lara's fete?
Yep.
And it go on good, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so the question is, what is the best thing about Trinidadian women?
Oh gosh, Trinidad women is sweet.
Oh yes.
They're sexy.
Mm-hmm.
The way they whine.
Yes.
Oh gosh.
They call me the wine and specialist. I show how to dip and bubble it.
Yes.
They give it that. Oh gosh.
They give you that nice feel, that groove.
Oh gosh, boy.
Sounds like you're remembering somebody right now.
Oh gosh, yes. When they get that wine, so I mean, oh gosh. Just can't stop.
It's better than doubles.
Oh gosh, yes.
Oh.
I mean, doubles is a close second, but oh gosh,
Yes.
the women, oh gosh.
And what would you say is the worst thing about them? Or the only flaw that you say Trinidadian women have?
They're probably too nice if that's possible.
Oh wow, that's a
They're too
good.
sexy.
That's a good problem. That's a good. You hear that, Trinidad girls? On the thing up. Okay. All right. Because myself, Wendell.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks. All right. So Michelle, what is the best thing about men in Trinidad?
I mean, they're cute. They're cute.
Oh, really? You like that? Okay.
Yeah, they're cute. They're cute.
Okay. And what would you say is the only flaw, like the only bad thing about like the men in Trinidad?
I can't answer that.
I may not be right for you, but I'm right for somebody.
Only flaw, like the only bad thing about like the men in Trinidad.
I can't answer that.
The cheap?
All men cheat though. All men
You're
cheat
saying that the
though.
men in Trinidad cheap?
Cheap or cheat?
Cheap?
Or cheat, some of them.
So, babe, so if you ask a guy for a little for money to get your nails done or your hair,
I don't.
Oh, wow, but
I'm independent.
Oh, independent ladies.
Independent.
Okay, I like it. I like it. I like it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Go to school, girl, and get your degree. Nurture and take care of your picky. Girl, you work hard to make your money. Roll it, girl. Roll it, girl.
Alright, so over there with that general, his name is Jelani Pox and he's actually the producer for Kess's big single, Savannah Grass. Alright, so you're a Trinidadian man, right?
Yes, man.
Alright, so the question is, what is the best thing and the worst thing about Trinidadian women?
The best thing about Trinidadian women is that we are perfectly diverse. The versatility is paramount, 10 out of 10. The worst thing is that they are too many.
The worst thing is what? Too many girls, too much girls. Oh gosh, that is a good problem. Alright, bless.
Give me a drink from the case right now. I want a drink from the case right now. Give me the wine. What the fuck?
The question is, what is one of the best things and worst things about Trinidad women?
Best little woman you see anywhere.
Yes. Jamaican women would say different, but what's the worst thing about them?
They're independent minded.
Alright, somebody there with Roger. Roger, what is the best thing about Trinidad women?
They're sweet and compassionate, boy.
Oh, they're sweet and compassionate.
Yeah.
So you mean like if you're sick, they'll call and check on you, give you a massage when you get home from work?
Anything you want, you'll get it.
Everything you want, you get
Anything
it.
you want, you'll get it.
Okay, so what do you say is the only flaw that Trinidad women have?
You don't get enough of them.
Oh, you can't get enough of them.
No,
So
can't
you
get enough
you
of
could
them.
manage all of them, Roger?
Better try and feel and the feel the try.
Okay, true, makes sense. All right. Bless up. Thanks. All right, so there with Brian. The question is, what is the best thing about Trinidadian women?
I have to say, their shape.
Oh gosh, what them shape like?
Coca-Cola bottle. Coca-Cola bottle.
Yes.
You know.
And what them taste like?
I'm married, so I'm very loyal, so I have no idea what others taste like.
But you know what your wife tastes like?
And hell yes.
Your wife tastes better than doubles?
Hell yes.
If you want me to go.
Oh my gosh, your wife tastes better than Christmas dinner?
Hell yes.
Oh my gosh, wife, your thing is hope. Okay, and what would you say is the only flaw that probably Trinidadian women have?
The what?
The only flaw, the only bad thing that you'd have to say about Trinidadian women?
They're damn jealous.
Oh. Oh wow. Really?
Really?
Oh wow, I've been hearing that. So you ever have any issue with wifey because of jealousy?
Plenty, but I deal with it, man.
Okay, because of love. Big up yourself, Brian. Thanks. Alright, so what would you say is the best thing about the women in Trinidad?
Well, first of all, Trinidad have the most beautiful women in the entire world. That's one, right?
Jamaican women would differ, but continue.
All right.
Yeah.
And the second thing is passion.
Oh, passion.
Trinidad,
We mean like love making?
Well, passion for everything. Now, if they're angry with you,
oh,
the
yeah,
amount of passion they put into that, listen, you're going to get the best and the very worst. In terms of love making, passion.
Passion is there.
We have the song take garbage bag. Right. So think about all these things now.
So if they're passionate, they may okay. What I say? Excuse away. Excuse.
Yeah. So
passion all over.
Passion all over.
What would you say is the worst thing though? The only flaw that they will say Trinidad women have?
The flaw. Trini women like to quarrel, boy.
Oh.
Come now.
Gosh. You mean what kind of like? Is it like a 1 hour quarrel? Is it
No, it'll stretch out for, I mean...
I thought a sort of quarrel that would make you cry and come to your work and embarrass you?
No, not that type of quarrel, but the type of quarrel that will go on and on and on, you know what I'm saying?
So what if you make a mistake today?
Right.
You're telling me by next week that Trinidad woman wouldn't like forget about it?
She would forget about it. No, she would pretend to forget about it for the week. And then like about 2 weeks later, boom.
Throw it back in your face,
it's
yes.
back there, you know. But again, it boils down to passion as well too.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So they store it deep inside, you know. So that's basically it.
So quick question, is it true that Trinidad women taste good?
See that?
Is it true that Trinidad women taste good?
Of course. I mean...
What them taste like? What is it like? Is it like peaches?
No, if you had to describe it, I would say think about peaches and cream. Peaches and cream and you know that strawberries.
Oh, nice.
Strawberries.
Oh, strawberries. Whoa.
Yeah,
Whipped cream to your thing. Oh, big
Man,
up yourself. You know the thing.
Tell me. Right. So at the end of the day, Trini woman, right? Come first. Everybody else, you know, come after. But at the end of the day,
Jamaican woman attack him, okay?
But I will say that all women are beautiful. Respect all women, right? And at the end of the day, we want to just big you up, right?
Thanks.
For you know, taking the time to already talk about women and stuff like that because you know, mothers and sisters and all these things they need love, you know. But at the end of the day, much respect, bro.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Love,
big
right?
up.
Well, that's it, peeps. You hear some of the people them say, you know, Trinidad girl them pretty and all of these things, but them kind of jealous. No more if I actually made and compare and contrast like how you think the Jamaican ladies would react to them questions here about the Jamaican men. Hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also to leave a comment down below and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Take care until next time.
Give me a drink from the case right now. I wanna drink from the case right now. boom bap.